If you're in a long distance relationship and looking for ways to connect through music, you're in the right place. Today I'll share the best methods to listen to songs together. No matter the distance, let's dive in. First up, consider using co-watching apps like Spotify Group Session. These apps allow you to create a shared listening experience. With Spotify Group Session, you can play, pause, and skip tracks together in real time. To start a group session, open Spotify, play a song, tap on three dot, and you can find the connect button at the bottom, or share the invite link with your partner and you're all set. So to have that, you need to have the premium access to it. Another great method is to use video calling apps like Zoom, Skype, or FaceTime. Simply play music on your device and share your screen, or use the audio sharing feature. This way, you can see each other while enjoying your favorite tunes. You can also create a shared playlist on YouTube. Curate a playlist of songs that are meaningful to both of you. Share the playlist link, and you can take turns playing songs while video chatting. Finally, consider setting up a regular music date night. Pick a date and time each week to explore new albums, artists, or genres together. This creates a routine and gives you both something to look forward to. And there you have it. Those are some of the best methods to listen to songs together in a long distance relationship. Music can be a beautiful way to stay connected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.